Hey everybody, Rich again. Just getting ready to put the first top coat on the doors. As you can see, I got everything primed, and I sanded everything last night, and blew it all off, and actually used a tack cloth to wipe it and everything. So now we're just going about getting ready to give it its first coat on the back side. So I'll do the backs of all the doors, let them dry overnight, and then I may do another coat on the back and then do the front, rather than kind of flip-flopping around. So I think that's well, I'll just decide once I get these done. But this will be the first coat that I'm going to give everything. So let's go ahead and get started because I got a lot of doors. All right. Hey everybody, still working on the doors, and just wanted to let you know that I'm getting ready to put the final top coat on the doors. So you saw me painting the first coat, and once the coat dried, I needed to actually sand it lightly, and I used a 320 grit. So got any imperfections that I saw out of it. There's a little bit of hair and stuff that I noticed from before when I did the top coat. It was kind of breezy that day, so I had them sitting outside, and so a little bit of trash got on top of it. So I needed to fix that. So this time, as I'm doing the top coat, I'm going to be taking the wet doors inside. So I set up the sawhorses inside in the sunroom so that it can dry in there without any contaminants getting on it. It's a pretty good afternoon, and there's pretty low humidity, and there's not going to be too many more warm enough days to actually paint. So I'm going to try to get this done and hopefully get this kitchen project wrapped up as soon as I can. Let's go ahead and get started. So the way I've been doing it is I've been stirring it and then seeing how many seconds it takes for it to stop running a steady stream off the stick, and before it starts dripping, and that's my count. So I'll show you what I'm talking about. So 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi, 3 Mississippi, 4 Mississippi, 5 Mississippi, 6 Mississippi, 7 Mississippi, 8 Mississippi, 9 Mississippi, 10 Mississippi, 11 Mississippi, 12 Mississippi, 13 Mississippi, 14 Mississippi. So 14 Mississippi. So I need to thin it down some, so I'm going to add some water to it to get down to where I had it before. Just do a little bit at a time. With paint, you do want to get a consistent amount, so that I have been trying to get consistently the same mixture as I'm painting. 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi, 3 Mississippi, 4 Mississippi, 5 Mississippi, 6 Mississippi, 7 Mississippi, 8 Mississippi, 9 Mississippi, 10 Mississippi. Yep, that's about right. Okay. I finally just got done with painting the last coat on most of the doors, and I ran out of room in the sunroom to lay them, so I ended up, the last couple, I ended up putting out here because I didn't have any other place to put it. It wasn't ideal, but it should dry fine. It's not real dusty in here, or at least I'm going to keep the dust at a minimum for now. Hopefully this is helpful to anybody that's refinishing some kitchen cabinets. If you're doing, wanting to paint the doors and you're thinking of spraying them rather than, rolling them with a foam roller or, just brushing them. But I wanted a factory type finish, so that's why I chose to spray these. And I'm satisfied with the result that I've gotten so far. So for now, I'm signing off, and I'll do another video when I get ready to install the hinges and the hardware and begin hanging the doors on the cabinets. Okay, talk to you soon.